In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a Pinterest account. We will walk through switching between accounts without logging out, so you can move back and forth whenever you need. Start by opening the Pinterest app or website and signing in. Once you are in, you should see your usual Pinterest home feed with pins recommended for you. If you are already signed in, you do not need to log out or close anything. Just make sure you can see your pins and the search bar, since that confirms you are on your main Pinterest screen. Once that is done, go to your profile. On mobile, this is the profile icon at the bottom. On a computer, it is at the top. When you open your profile, you will see your boards, your saved pins, and your name and picture. A quick tip here, beginners sometimes stay on the home feed and cannot find account options, but most account tools live on this profile screen. Now tap or click your profile picture at the top left. This is a small circle, often showing your photo or initials. When you select it, a small menu should appear. It usually shows your current account details and some options related to adding or managing accounts. If nothing happens, check that you really tapped the small picture, not the bigger profile area below. From there, select Add Account. This option tells Pinterest you want to connect another login to this app or browser. After you choose it, a new screen or pop-up appears, with choices for logging in or creating a different account. This keeps you in Pinterest the whole time, so you will not be thrown back to your phone home screen or your browser homepage. Next up, choose Login to an existing account. Use this when you already have a second Pinterest account created earlier. When you tap this option, you move to a simple login form. This is where many people accidentally choose to create a new account instead, so double-check that you picked the existing account login option. On this login screen, enter the email and password for your other Pinterest account. Take your time here and make sure you are using the email tied to that second account, not the one you already signed in with. As soon as the details are correct and you continue, Pinterest links that second account to your app or browser. You will know it worked when the screen returns to Pinterest and does not show any error message. Once the second account is added, tap or click your profile picture again. The same small menu opens, but now you should see more than one account listed. This is where you can see both the original account and the one you just logged into, each usually showing its name or email. At this point, select the account you want to use. As soon as you tap it, Pinterest switches you to that account, and the profile view refreshes with that account boards and pins. One useful detail, the change happens instantly and you do not need to save anything. To change again later, you will always use this same little profile picture menu. If instead of logging into an existing account, you want to create a new Pinterest account, follow this order. Go to Pinterest, then Profile, then tap your profile picture, then choose Add Account, then create a new personal account. Pinterest will ask for a different email address, since each personal account must have its own unique email. After you finish the sign-up, that new account appears in the same account list, ready to switch to whenever you like. You just learned how to add a second Pinterest account and switch between them whenever you need. So if that helped you manage your boards more easily, please give the video a quick thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple Pinterest guides.